Hey everybody, it's Dr. Marcella Wilson. Let me flip the camera so you can see me. Nope. No. Hey everybody, it's me. I'm Dr. Marcella Wilson, and I'm a computer science professor. I teach undergrad and grad students in computer science and information systems, but I also help people learn how to use blogging and social media to boost their business. So today, what we're doing, I'm doing a 5-part series all this week. We're talking about Facebook and your Facebook page, because Facebook is so very important to your business. If you have a business or a blog or trying to make some money, you have a service or a product, you're a public figure, you need to have a Facebook page, okay? So let's talk about how to pimp out your Facebook page, because everybody needs one, and it needs to be done right. So if you are listening, and I want you to share this with your friends. Share this with your friends. You see the little man in the lower right corner? Share this with your friends who have businesses or blogs. Or if you're looking at the replay on if you're looking on a computer, just click the follow me button. It may say my name, like Dr. Marcella Wilson. But also tap me, give me hearts if I'm saying something that helps. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera so you can see what I'm talking about, because the way I teach, I show and I tell. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera so you can see what I'm going to be talking about. Cover photos. Just try to get that light off the screen. All right, so this is my Facebook page. So yesterday we talked about the importance of having a Facebook page. We talked about getting a custom URL, how to set that up in Facebook. Like mine is facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson. Okay, so hopefully you've already done that. All right, so let's talk about the importance of a cover photo. You can customize your cover photo, and lots of people do it. They sell from their cover photo, they advertise, they tell about themselves. So the cover photo is very important. And I recommend that you actually have a custom one. Like, you don't use the cover photo that they give you. All right? So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how to do that. So first you need to know the specs. Now you can create one on your own very easily. You can use Canva, PicMonkey, Photoshop. So I use Photoshop. So I can create my own. So what I do when I'm ready, I just pull up Photoshop, which will take a second. And that is how I create my cover photo. Now, I'm no art guru or anything like that. So what you see right here, I actually created on my own in Photoshop, and it's actually advertising a free webinar that I have, and the link. You can't really see it that well. I do need to change it, maybe make it a little bit higher. But I'm advertising a free webinar I'm having and the URL. So let's talk about the size of your cover photo. Your cover photo is actually 351 pixels wide and 315 pixels high. Let's do that again. 851 pixels wide, 315 pixels high. So if I were gonna do that in Photoshop, I would go and I would create new, and when I would type in the width, I would do 851 pixels wide, and for the height, 315. I leave everything else the same. And boom, up on the screen pops besides the cover photo. All right. So what I like to do is just kind of put a block on that. Maybe just change the color to white. Let's see. Just change it to white right quick. So just give it a blank canvas for now. So here's what I do if I'm working on my Facebook cover photo in Photoshop. But like I said, you can use PicMonkey, Canva. I really like PicMonkey. Let's go to PicMonkey right quick so you can just see, because if you're not an artist, you don't know anything about how to, you know, do that, because I know Photoshop can be a little bit advanced. But let's take a look at PicMonkey. And PicMonkey, it's kind of like done for you. Like if you look up here, they have choose a photo to edit, and right here they have Facebook. So if you click on that, and it'll connect you to Facebook. So I don't want to do that with mine, but you can actually go through here and it will, you know, you can edit a photo, you can create a photo, you can touch up a photo, you can make a collage, but they actually provide, you know, backgrounds and borders, and putting a photo together is really easy. It's actually for the non-designer. So if you do not know anything about Photoshop or how to edit an image or create an image, I would say go to PicMonkey.com and they will help. You can go to design. Let's go back for a second. Actually, I want to show you this too. If you go to PicMonkey design, notice a drop down comes. So go to PicMonkey design and you can choose Facebook cover. It already has the size, all that laid out for you. And look, here you can pick your color. See, it automatically changes for you. You can pick your canvas color. If you click on these things, you can add text. It'll give you fonts. It has images, overlays, you know, images that you can put in there, borders, patterns, designs that you can add. See, it added that pattern to it. So you can go to PicMonkey and play around with it. I will say that I have used PicMonkey for some of my photos that I've used on Facebook and Facebook ads, and it's really cool. So I would say PicMonkey is great for the non-designer, like if you don't know anything about it. So again, what you want to do is you want to go to PicMonkey at the top. You want to go to design. And when you hit design, there's going to be a drop down that says Facebook cover, and you want to click that. Okay? All right. So let's talk about what should be on our Facebook photo. So I really recommend, if your cover photo isn't a picture of you, having a picture of you in your cover photo, picture of you smiling, looking at the camera. So people want to know, like, and trust you so they can buy from you. And then a lot of people who are business or internet marketers, they actually are always promoting something on their Facebook cover. So if they have a webinar coming up, they're promoted. If they have a training course coming up, they will promote it in the cover photo. The cover photo will tell the name of the training, or if they have a book that's coming out, or they're making an appearance somewhere. That's what the cover photo will be, and then it will give you a URL link or whatever. Now, I know you may be saying, well, people can't click on that, and it's not going to take anyone to your registration page. But listen, if someone clicks on the photo, you can actually add a description, which is really cool, which I need to do. You can add a description. So if I were to put the event registration in the description, it would be clickable. And if someone clicks on that, it would take them to the registration page. Okay? So that's the cool thing about it. You can't actually click on the photo, and that won't actually take you to the registration page. But if someone clicks on it in the description, you say, hey, here's the link to the webinar, and type it in right there, and it will take that person there if they're interested. So lots of people do this. Lots of people send people to their registration page, or get sign-ups, or make sales just based off of their cover photo. So you just don't want to have any old cover photo. You want to be promoting something, or sending them somewhere, sending them to your blog so they can read your latest blog post. Send them to an opt-in page where they can get a freebie, so you can get their email address. Send them to a webinar registration page. Send them to a page where they can buy an ebook. So you want to utilize your Facebook cover so that it promotes you and what is coming up, or what you're selling. Okay? So this will be up for 24 hours. So give me a share. And also share this if you've gotten value of this, share this with your friends and family. And also tomorrow I'll be actually talking about your cover photo, how to pimp that out, what you need to do. And I'll be talking about Facebook all week, same time tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay. So that's it. I'm out. MarcellaWilson.com. Check me out to get a free ebook. Thanks, and have a great day.